In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play practice mode in NBA 2K20 Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. NBA 2K20 Mobile has a dedicated practice mode where you will be able to practice a lot of things like dribbles, passing, and so on. All that you have to do to access practice mode is to go over to My Career. So choose the My Career option from the home screen, and inside of here, you will be able to see a lot of status about your career and the news feed. All that you have to do is choose the 2K nav option. So go into My Career first from the home menu and then choose the 2K nav that you can see at the bottom left corner of the screen. When you choose 2K nav, you will see plenty of options and you will notice that the first one is going to be practice. So all that you have to do is choose the practice option under the 2K nav. Immediately upon choosing practice, you will be able to find shoot around, which is the standard practice mode available in an NBA 2K20 Mobile. You also have other options, so upgrades in 2K Store, connections, endorsements, and agent. But for this video, I'm going to be focusing on practice. So choose 2K nav and then practice mode. When you go over to shoot around, you will be able to control your character. You can do a pass, you can shoot, call or set a pick, dribble, post up, and so on. Everything will be available for you here, and you will be able to practice as much time as you want. Just go over to the 2K nav inside of My Career, and you will be able to move around, practice, dribble, and so on. There aren't a lot of things that you can change, but still, it is going to be a nice way to warm up before going inside of an actual match. You just have to choose the practice shoot around option inside of My Career. I hope I was able to help you on how to play practice mode in NBA 2K20 Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.